Westman, and we are going to do some foundation shade matching today with Zayla. And how beautiful is that? Tell me your background.
I'm Puerto Rican and German.
That is a really fine mix, if I don't say so myself. We just prepped your skin a little bit with Dr. Hauschka Rose Day Cream. We're gonna do a foundation shade match. What issues do you kind of like come across when you are shade matching?
Certain foundations would be like too light, or like they'll have like a orangey undertone. Never really matches. It'd be like, oh, it matches, cool, but then you gotta add like 10 pounds of bronzer.
You don't want to look like your foundation face.
Cake face.
Cake face.
No, I don't want to walk around with cake face.
Putting a little bit of lit on your lips. It's a really nice glassy highlight. This is a question I get all the time. How do I match my foundation? Your kind of intuition would be, do I put it on my hand so I can kind of see? Your hand is maybe a different color to your face.
Yeah, exactly.
If you can, just put a little tiny bit like on your cheek. That's if you're physically in a store where you can touch. Otherwise, it's always good to gauge foundations. Sometimes they're kind of in sections. Start from lighter and then you move up. Medium and then deeper. And if there are images attached to that shade, then you feel like, oh, I feel like that girl's skin looks similar to mine. I'm gonna work with 2 shades on you today, potentially even a third, because your forehead is a little bit deeper and your arms are deeper. I'm using Atelier 7 and 5. 5 kind of under eye, and you can go straight from the bullet to the skin, or you can use the brush. The lighter shade in the center part of the face, the T-zone area, and then the perimeter where it's a little bit deeper, blend in the 7. You have no pores.
Thank you.
Our foundation has no silicones. We replaced the silicones with a really nice lightweight blend of oils. So we have coconut oil, which is huge for cell turnover. And we also added phytophingosine because I have rosacea. It calms redness and inflammation. If I have to wear it, I want it to be doing something good. I don't want it to clog my pores. And we girls are such multitaskers. I want my products to do the same. Your skin should hopefully feel very breathable.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like anything's really on, which I like.
I'm gonna add a tiny bit of 9 in here to warm up your forehead a little bit. You are best off if you use 3 shades, but you're fine with 2. The spot checking, I'm just gonna use 5 and the 7. Use 2 shades because the darker area is kind of in the center and then it's lighter around, so you kind of want to try to really camouflage any spots with your skin. And it's a different story when you have a scab. You kind of like almost are better off letting it be. I'm gonna cover this guy a little bit because it's not so bad. I find the little spot and I just kind of like dot, and then I might just blend it. In the summer, do you get really tan?
Yes.
So currently you're a 5 and a 7. I would say in the summer you'd be a 7 and a 9. If you want to just warm up your forehead area, you can add a tiny bit, not 10 pounds, but a tiny bit of bronzer. And this is a plant butter based bronzer, which is nice. It's beauty butter bronzer. It penetrates, like it goes right into the skin. Want to check yourself?
I love it. And it actually matches my neck.
Thank you so much for shade matching with me today. It's not that tricky. It's just taking them a minute. Lighter tone in your middle of your face, the deeper round, and then you patch it all together. A little spot checking when you need it. A little beauty butter bronzer if you want. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys, and thank you.
Thank you, Z.
Be back.
Yes, you will be.